Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quinoa jollof. First, let's prepare our main ingredient. Rinse 1 cup of quinoa thoroughly under cold water. This removes any bitterness. Next, gather all your fresh ingredients, like 1 large onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and your preferred vegetables. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. This initial preparation is key to a delicious and stress-free cooking experience. Now, let's create the rich, vibrant jollof base. Blend 2 large red bell peppers, 2 ripe tomatoes, and 1 Scotch bonnet pepper for a spicy kick, if desired. Heat about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your diced onion and garlic, sautéing them until they become fragrant and translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. This step builds the foundational flavors for your delicious quinoa jollof. With our aromatic base ready, it's time to bring everything together. Pour the blended pepper mixture into the pot and let it simmer for about 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to deepen. Stir in 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme, and 1 bouillon cube for extra depth. Finally, add the thoroughly rinsed quinoa and 1 1/2 cups of vegetable broth. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat. Almost there. Once the quinoa and broth are in, cover the pot tightly and reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer for about 20 minutes or until all the liquid is absorbed and the quinoa is tender. After cooking, remove it from the heat and let it rest covered for 5 minutes. Gently fluff the quinoa with a fork. Garnish with fresh cilantro or parsley and serve your delicious quinoa jollof warm with grilled chicken or plantains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.